What's up, guys? Chris Salty here with my car, the 86, and today we're about to install. Finally, we're about to install an exhaust on this thing. This thing is so quiet. It's basically a Prius, but yeah, I don't know why they made it so quiet in stock. Like, why? Toyota, come on, bro. It's a GR. It's a GR platform. It should have at least a little sound from factory. You know what I mean? But anyways, today we have the MBRP single exit exhaust. It's a full catback system. I've been wanting to get it for a while. This is literally a budget-friendly exhaust. Yeah, let's go ahead and open the box and let's get right into it. All right. All right. Let's look at it. Okay. Looks pretty cool. It looks pretty cool. Now I need to, let me place it over there. It's the middle section. This is stainless steel. And this, look at that, MBRP. And this is the single muffler. Hell yeah. This is the clamps, it looks like. Yep. And I'm assuming this will be the hardware and the tip. All right, let's find out. Let's find out. Oh, baby, baby, baby. I'm gonna try not to touch too much of it so I don't have to wipe it. I think I'm still gonna have to wipe it at the end, but let's look at that. Sheesh. This thing is wild. It's big. Like, gay! This thing, look how big it is, dude. First things first, I'm gonna take the muffler out, the stock muffler. So it's this big thing right here. I'm gonna take it off. And wish me luck, because this is my first time taking an exhaust off a car. So it looks like there's a bolt here, and I believe, yeah, there's another like part of it in the back. So I need something to hold this and something to unscrew it. So it looks like a 15 or 14. All right, so I finally unscrewed this, and then now I just gotta like figure out how to unhook it from the hangers. So then everybody keep telling me that I need to buy a hanger removal tool. So I'm gonna see how this works. My first time using it. Should go like that. Do I press? Oh, I think I pressed it on that. Yeah. Perfect. This is probably hard without this hanger. Whoever invented this exhaust hanger needs to be a millionaire for a lifetime. I'm gonna go ahead and do the other side. And yeah. All right, guys. I finally got the gigantic muffler of the 86, and I'm gonna show you how it looks like from stock to MBRP. Look how big the stock is, and look how big the MBRP one is. Bro, the difference. Dude, this is as big as my body, bro. Like, this is my hands, and look how big it is. Like, compared to, like, bro, this is massive. And look how much space it's under. Like, bro, you can dust, dude. Bro, you could fit like a whole suitcase under this, bro. For more, if you're running out of storage, just take the muffler out and fucking hook a spare tire or suitcase or something under it. That is crazy. You know what I'm gonna try? I'm gonna try and start the car without this muffler. All right, go ahead and start up. Oh shit! It's so deep. What the? I like it. It's deep. It got that deep tone to it. I'm gonna give it a little rev. Sounds pretty good. All right, so now I gotta take this off, and then that's it. Once I take this off, it looks like it's only those 2 screws and then this hanger. Unless there's a screw somewhere that I don't see, because I think it's just this hanger and those 2 screws. Looks like the same from the back, like a 15, I think. Yeah, let's go ahead and take care of that, and hopefully I can fit under this thing. All right. Whew. I wish I had a lift, bro. This shit would be so much easier. Well, anyways, so this is the stock system, the resonator, the muffler, and this is the MBRP. No resonator, it's just a muffler. So you can already tell that this thing is gonna be, it's gonna sound pretty loud, right? But yeah, this thing is, it's pretty cool how it works. You know, it resonates the thing, the noise under the cabin, and then the muffler pretty much quiets everything down, basically. So this might be a little drony, but we'll see. I don't know what I'm gonna do this. I'm probably gonna try and sell it online. Shit, who's gonna buy it, bro? Who's gonna buy a stock 86 exhaust? Anyways, let me go ahead and put this on, and I'll see you guys when I install the mid pipe, and then I'm gonna do the muffler, and then the tip, and then boom, go for a drive. I finally put the, I guess, the mid pipe in there. As you can see, that's the one that's hanging right now. And then I took one of the hangers. I already put it on the pipe. I'm gonna show you right now. So I screwed in, I put it in there, and then now I just gotta put slide, I guess, the white pipe. I don't know. Is that what they call it? I guess put the white pipe, push it in there, and then clamp it, and then put this part on the you know, the little rubber thing for the hangers. And then according to some YouTube video I watched, they said do not fully tighten it, because before you tighten it, you gotta, like, you know, make sure the tip is where you want it. Because if you fully tighten everything right now, and then the tip is in a line, especially, like, you don't want it to touch the bumper, right? All right. I got good news. The good news is everything is installed properly, and the bad news is I got no bad news. So here's what I did. Um, so everything right now, it's perfect. Okay. So as you can see, everything is aligned. Everything is screwed in. The clamp is fully in, same as the back. I put the hangers right here. Hangers right here. The MBRP logo is facing the right direction. And then right here, this is where I need to install the tip. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna figure out what, I'm gonna figure out what, you know, type of Allen screw this needs. Oh my God, look at my fingerprints, bro. I need to wipe this off once I put it in there. Yeah, I need to figure out what this Allen key is, and yeah, and then we install it. Right now it looks kind of centered, but the way this exhaust is designed, it pushes more towards the passenger side. So we'll see how it is with the tips on. It goes towards this way a little bit more. That's what it says on the you know, that's what MBRP says. So the exhaust is gonna go more towards the passenger side. So keep that in mind. All right, it looks like it's the T50. So this is a T50. So we just gotta like use it right here to tighten it. Okay, so I'm gonna do that right now. So I think this is as far as I want it to be. Like that's how it looks from the side. That's how it looks from a distance. I really like the chrome. Not gonna lie, I didn't think I would like it, but I don't know, I'm loving it. Once I get, the chrome, it matches with the chrome badge. In the future, I want to get chrome wheels and then get a clear lens. But yeah, this is perfect. So I'm gonna do a little bit of adjusting and we'll tighten it and we'll see how it is. These brothers my guys, know that they fly, know that they ride or die. I keep boys by my side, CJ Ike, now I gotta roll with ice. These brothers my guys, know that they fly, know that they ride or die. I keep boys by my side, CJ Ike, now I gotta roll with ice. All right, the exhaust is fully in. Now I just gotta start it, check for, exhaust leaks, and yeah, and put it outside. Shit, bro. That sounds pretty good. It sounds so deep. Oh, and it cries down. Oh, look how quiet it got. Pretty good. No exhaust leak. So now, let's give it some rev. It's a little bit dark, but you guys don't need to see anything. You just listen. Just listen to this masterpiece. But yeah, let me go ahead and close the shop and let's go for a drive. The pops, oh my god. The pops.